Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve riverboat problem, which is one of the most confusing topic of relative motion. The question is, a man steers a boat with velocity of 4 meters per second in still water. If he is crossing a river where current is 2 meters per second, A. In what direction will his boat be headed if he wants to reach point on other bank, directly opposite to starting point? B. Find the drift along the river if boatman steers in direction perpendicular to river current. Before starting with the question, let's first understand the part which makes this topic confusing. We will use the concept of relative motion, which is VBR equals VB minus VR. In the video we can see that VBR is the velocity with which boatman is trying to steer the boat and VB is the actual velocity of the boat seen from the ground. Finding actual velocity of boat will answer all our questions. With the help of some scenarios we will try to understand the way to find actual velocity. In this scenario, the boatman is steering the boat in still water along negative x-axis. We can see that the actual velocity of boat seen from the ground is same as the steering velocity. In this scenario, the river is flowing with velocity of 3 meters per second along positive x-axis and boatman is trying to steer boat in opposite direction with velocity of 2 meters per second. But, because of the river current, boat will appear to be moving towards right direction with velocity of 1 meter per second. In this scenario, river is flowing with velocity of 2 meters per second and boatman is trying to steer the boat at angle theta from y-axis with velocity of 4 meters per second. But, due to river current boat appears to be moving perpendicular to river current. We can break the velocity into its components along both axes to determine the actual velocity of boat. Let's try to solve the first part of the problem. In the last scenario we already found the velocity of boat in both axes. We can utilize them to solve this problem. From the video we can deduce that there is no displacement of boat along the x-axis. That's why velocity along x-axis will be 0. Therefore angle will be 30 degrees. Let's solve the second problem. Find drift if boat is steered perpendicular to river current. Basically, drift is the displacement along x-axis when boat reaches the other bank. Firstly, we can find out the velocity of boat along both the axes. Using y-axis component of velocity we can find the time to reach the opposite bank. And, using time and x component of velocity we can find the drift. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.